My charger. See.
I thought it was just kind of off and looked like
Because inside there's a bunch of electrical hidden magnets. And if they're dirty, then they don't charge.
oh, so it needs to fall out. Or does that have that
So
like
you
the whole thing?
completely take off the back.
Well, you don't even have to do that. You screw it out. The computer, that's just gonna fly.
No. Yeah, stick on it. That's what I have. You had to see it there, but it's. You know,
The dust is right away. It's got that. Every dust.
It'll probably blow it off. So you might want to close your eyes.
Oh yeah. I'll do my best. Oh, my goodness. I'll figure out which one's the light. Make sure the thing is on the fan down for the cool down, not when it's for off. I know that little switch thing. That switch thing to blow it up or down.
Right now, it's not that.
Yeah, she told it. And you had it on one, so maybe you have it back on.
I know for those speed.
Computer will be gone. I'll just leave it on my sheet so it'll light. That's fine. Yeah, I am weird. It's that drywall comes all over it, and you just back them up. You gotta check better. It's not vacuum. No, but it comes back and that ground in from the plate, and it comes out the other one. I'm so dumb today. I should have, then my whole sheet would be dirty and I'd be mad because I'd have to clean up my whole bed, put new sheets on, and get gas on my knuckles back there again, and, you know, oh my god.
So when it's pain in the ass, it would have already been cleaned up. You would have never known and you would have never cared.
If I would've known, I should've, should've just thrown any kind of thing over my bed, so should've just washed it.
It's not like really nice. I don't think it's got that water.
When you just want to, I will not even notice unless it's a super squeeze. They ain't doing that.
I know, but it will. If it vibrates at all. The dust collects unevenly.
It's fine, okay? I can feel it, so it's on the down. I want the longer one on the fan.
Put it on the light first.
Put on the light here. That might not be the kind of light you want to use, unless it's one of those kinds of light.
I'll find out.
This is light. Why don't you just set it up for a minute? Everyone's fan. Is it slowing down?
Can't tell.
Yeah, I can.
Stop it.
Too fast, yeah. Yeah, no one's lucky enough we can. Enough that bright ass shit. See that feels good all the way around? Ready for some screws to go under it? You keep that little dingly out. The dingly screw. Oh, it's not possible to go in there?
Straight up.
Right, then should we get it off and he goes, oh, it should be 2 by 4, you know, I can reach up and change my speed of my fan and whatever it is. I usually just keep my fan on low. On most fans I like, they're almost always at once. When I'm never have to blow it out, so just blow me a couple of. Okay, this is in the fan one. I made a mistake by getting that first.
I go through after work or no.
I know, but you don't see up that. Well, it would be nice if you could see. You stood up on that hook chest, you could see better. Getting longer, and then it's, what did you do? What did you do? What?
Oh, they got a picture. So it shows them. No, no. Oh, well, not up. Yeah, I can't
Did
see.
that thing go in there? Or what? Yeah, why is it in? Shouldn't I go inside? That's funny, shouldn't we?
Come back. Leaving the wrong end.
Did I? How weird. Let's go on. No, things hanging out. Oh, that's why. So they gave you that. David, I'm on. Cool.
Looking back, you might want to go another way, because then it will come around the wall on you.
I would never want it. Yes, it would be that.
That's right here. Over there, it sucks now. So if you're
I
over
like my
there.
sand covered, yeah.
Really? I don't think.
Every time I turn it up, it's cold in the winter.
Lean against the wall.
You don't know.
Lean against the wall.
No, I like it just where it is.
I know you. I know you're saying you do.
I can feel it. Don't switch it. I won't ever like it, so why even go through the trouble?
So you can fucking feel the difference.
I don't want it up. It has to float on this hot accident or the ball.
Mom,
Can't go on my
can
wall.
you just fucking try something without bitching? I don't want to hear you bitching. Just
Not that hard.
it blows up for a fucking minute. Go back to see how you feel. That vibrated.
Don't worry about vibration. You're not never gonna hear it.
I'm not hearing it vibrating, only in this direction. The other way is good. That was slow.
Yeah.
It should have been full speed. Is it gonna lower full speed going backwards? 'Cause that's slow. That's like keeping one though. Oh, it's slower. Fuck that.
Go down. I wonder if I might like to go down there. Go!
Stick your hand up, catch it.
Give me my brother goes here after years. Where you stick it in a bin like your cat.
I would think he'd go backwards.
There's nothing coming off.
Yeah.
Yeah, that dinner tasted good, but I don't know what it was. Or whatever she showed us that sauce. What do you buy with the tool? I haven't
Remember when we were
Yeah, it's not handy tool.
Where's my vacuum?
It's somewhere around here, I don't even
You're
know.
doing lights.
How you doing, honey? Your dinner smells real good. Red sauce stuff. Mmm. You loving your popcorn right now?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. That's girl, you gotta plug it in the bathroom.
Well, you're not using it, so.
I just plug it in the bathroom. Oh, well,
What's
depends on
6
how
more
long you
steps?
want it.
Oh, double the refill.
not. Oh my God. I was just thinking about that. Oh my God. I just need to laugh. Until I get all this shit done. Good enough, man. It ain't no crap. Every day I can work some crap. Every day I can do like. Because I see the dirt. I'm sitting on the computer. Are these just all spare parts to it? What are these little things?
Cat.
For?
Whatever the fuck you want.
Good stuff. I was just gonna put all this stuff in there for you, but. You might want
What we like to call it. I don't know how well you can hide that circle.
Right. Jessica said she'd probably come over tomorrow sometime. Today she was busy with the kids. Thank you. And I said, that's cool, hun. I said, we're not stressing them today. And I said, I just told you, try not to come anytime after 7:30 on their weeknights. Because they go to bed. They're just like that. That's what they do.
Okay.
They live with Sherry.
Oh, you let the back
And
end
I get
of
wipe off their dust so it don't show no more with my sanitizing wipe. And it'll dry and be beautiful again.
Yeah, that's it.
That'll be fine. Perfect. I had to use the wipes for something, so I'll just wipe this dust from the wood off right now. And I won't have to worry about it. Wasting it up by my face, so I don't care.
I'm gonna shut this. It's gonna get loud.
So they'll never try to.
Okay.
I change them.
What is it?
Look what I got.